So it's another day, another print. This is like a geometric, what was the bookcase when I was filming? A geometric dinosaur type T-Rex thing. Maybe I should have gone for supports everywhere, it would have helped with this bit under the chin here, make that look a bit neater, but oh well, we can always do it again. It's only a couple of hour print, so there's the bunnies, and that's what he's supposed to look like when he's done. He's not far off, to be fair. I do in a different colour. I've only got yellow and silver at the minute, black, yellow and silver. I need to order some more in fairness. So yeah, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, 3D Printing Wales. No hyphen between the 3 and D, just 3D. Sometimes we put some bits on Instagram before they get to YouTube. Sometimes there's footage on there that never gets to YouTube because I forget to put clips of videos in when I'm editing. We've also got the Facebook page going, if you're not aware. And share it with your friends or anybody and everybody. Right, back when he's finished. Bye for now. So, the little T-Rex is done. Yeah, like I say, supports everywhere on the next one. I'm going to change the colour up as well. And yeah, it's not bad though. It's not bad. Just need to get him supports out from under his chin and then should be laughing. Wow, I'm really bad at filming. Oh, he's got a bit of a hole in his head as well. Oh, cool. Right, yeah. I'll get on to another one. I'll keep it all in the same video and back with a silver one in a second. So it is going to take a little bit longer to print this time, but I have been playing with some of the settings. Sorry for the Paw Patrol in the background. You know, got to keep the monster entertained, haven't we? Not really a monster, are you, beautiful, eh? Watching the idiot box, as always. So yeah, change that, and then in advanced. So what I changed on here is the bottom and top thickness to 1.2 from 0.8, and I have also changed the travel speed to 100, so I've gone up with that. Bottom layer speeds 20, top and bottom I've dropped that down to 60 just so the very top becomes a bit better, because it was supposed to be a bit more of a point and it's just ended up a bit of a blob. Yeah, so just to keep them a little bit slower, but then the overall travel speed up a bit. So let's see if it skips any skips on the any steps is the term I'm looking for. So, yeah. And then overall the print speed is 80 for the rest of it, which, do you know what, because I've got my top and bottom parameters sorted, let's have a go. I think this might fail, but let's have a shot. 2:45 it takes. See if the time saved is worth the risk. 7 minutes, 8 minutes. We'll bring it back to 80. I know it prints at that for the sake of 8 minutes. Cool, so once that finishes loading, print from the laptop again, because we love the fact that if it does fail I can just jump into it and move the nozzle out of the way, easier than clicking the buttons on the machine. There we go, loaded, print, so it prints it. Right, now we wait again. I've got no filament in it as you notice, but I'm just going to swap for silver, so as soon as it starts printing the skirt I'll grab the filament and put that in the top. So as I don't have a Bowden style extrudery thing, it's just a pushing the top here when I switch the filament. Sorry, long way down for it to go. She'll start the video 10 seconds later, 20 seconds later. That's some of your life you'll never get back, eh? Being taken. Not enough of the filament been taken through yet. If I just rest it there gently, I'm not putting any pressure on anything. There you go, just felt it drop. Didn't push it, I felt it drop. It's taking it. It's just to make sure really that it's got the constant feed. Ooh, so the very first line or so is on the bottom of the dyno. It's going to be black. Interesting. So the very first line or so is going to be black, and I'm guessing by the time it finishes printing the bottom layer, then yeah, it should be onto the silver by the time it gets through the bottom layer. Silver. There we go, just spotted it. You can see it this side better. Yeah, so obviously if you wanted to do like multicoloured parts and you know when to, or when you want to change the filament, I'd use that same process as well. So you could print like the first half in one colour and then switch the filament over, or even 3 colours or 4 colours, whatever you wanted. You know, you could do a minute of printing in each colour and keep swapping it all the way through the part if you wanted. If you want me to make a video like that, comment below. Anyway, yeah, we'll leave this printing and catch up at the end and see how it looks in silver. Filament colour change. So I thought I'd bring this video outside. But yeah, if anybody's got any hints and tips about how I can improve the bottom of this T-Rex, can I change the parameters, make it have more infill, maybe make it where the supports are 20 or 30%, would that help? It's just not getting the angles needed. But yeah, overall, not bad. Not bad. Oof. Bad bit there, look. So yeah, like I say, any advice or pointers or anything, if you want to comment below, that'd be great. But yeah, that's it for this one. I've just been outside. Austin's been cleaning the car. So yeah, end of the episode. See you again soon. Like, share and subscribe and all that rubbish.